Welcome back to MK Car Reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most commanding full-size SUVs on the road right now, the 2026-2027 GMC Yukon Denali. This is not just another big SUV. This is GMC pushing luxury, performance, and road presence to a whole new level. From its bold exterior styling to its powerful engine options and premium pricing, this SUV is built for people who want it all. Right from the first glance, the Yukon Denali makes a serious statement. The front fascia is massive and aggressive, featuring a redesigned signature Denali grille that looks sharper and more refined than ever. The chrome detailing is bold but not overdone, giving it that premium presence without feeling flashy. The LED headlights are sleeker and more futuristic, with a distinct lighting signature that makes the SUV instantly recognizable at night. GMC has clearly worked on aerodynamics as well. Even though this is a large SUV, it doesn't feel outdated or boxy. Moving to the side profile, the Yukon Denali continues to impress with its long, muscular stance. The body lines are clean and confident, running smoothly from front to rear. You get large multi-spoke alloy wheels that not only enhance the look, but also improve stability on the road. The wheel options now go up to 24 inches, which adds an even more dominant road presence. Chrome accents around the windows and door handles give it that luxury SUV vibe, while the high ground clearance ensures it still maintains its rugged capability. At the rear, the SUV looks just as premium. The LED taillights are vertically stacked and more refined, connected with subtle chrome detailing. The tailgate design is cleaner, and the dual exhaust outlets add a sporty touch. There's also a hands-free power liftgate, which is extremely convenient for daily use, especially when your hands are full. Overall, the exterior design of the 2026-2027 Yukon Denali strikes a perfect balance between luxury and toughness. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Yukon Denali really proves its worth. Under the hood, GMC offers multiple engine options, starting with a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine. This engine produces around 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, which is more than enough to move this massive SUV with confidence. The acceleration is surprisingly smooth for its size, and the power delivery feels strong. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, there's also an available Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine, which is perfect for those who prioritize fuel efficiency and torque. This engine delivers excellent low-end torque, making it ideal for towing and long-distance driving. Speaking of towing, the Yukon Denali can tow up to around 8,400 pounds when properly equipped, which is impressive for a luxury SUV. The ride quality has also been significantly improved thanks to GMC's advanced suspension system. The available Air Ride adaptive suspension adjusts the vehicle's height and damping in real time, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride on all types of roads. Whether you're driving on rough terrain or smooth highways, the Yukon Denali keeps things stable and refined. Handling is also better than you'd expect from such a large vehicle. The steering feels precise, and the available magnetic ride control system helps in maintaining better control during cornering. It's not a sports car, but for a full-size SUV, it handles incredibly well. The four-wheel drive system adds extra confidence, especially when driving in challenging conditions like rain, mud, or snow. Now coming to the interior, although we're focusing mainly on exterior, performance, and price, it's impossible not to mention how luxurious it feels inside. The Denali trim is all about premium materials, including leather upholstery, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum finishes. The cabin is spacious, offering 3 rows of seating with plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. Technology is another strong point. The large infotainment display is responsive and easy to use, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that looks modern and provides all the essential information clearly. Rear seat entertainment screens are available as well, making long trips more enjoyable for passengers. Safety features are top-notch too. GMC includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only enhance safety, but also make driving such a large SUV much easier. Now let's talk about pricing, which is an important factor for any buyer considering the Yukon Denali. The starting price for the 2026-2027 GMC Yukon Denali is expected to be around $75,000 to $80,000. However, if you go for higher trims, additional packages, and optional features, the price can easily climb above $90,000. Fully loaded models can even cross the $100,000 mark. This may sound expensive, but when you consider what the Yukon Denali offers, the price starts to make sense. You're getting a full-size luxury SUV with powerful engines, advanced technology, premium materials, and impressive towing capability. It competes with some of the best luxury SUVs in the market, and in many ways, it stands out because of its unique combination of ruggedness and refinement. Fuel economy is decent for its class. The V8 engine is not the most efficient, but that's expected given its power. The diesel option, however, offers significantly better mileage, making it a smart choice for those who drive long distances frequently. In terms of overall ownership experience, GMC has also improved reliability and maintenance aspects. The brand offers competitive warranty coverage, and service networks are widely available, making it easier to maintain the vehicle over time. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026-2027 GMC Yukon Denali? This SUV is built for those who want luxury without sacrificing capability. It's bold, powerful, and packed with features that make every drive enjoyable. Whether you're using it as a family vehicle, a road trip machine, or even for towing heavy loads, it delivers on all fronts. The exterior design grabs attention instantly. The performance is strong and reliable, and the pricing reflects its premium positioning. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it offers a level of presence and capability that few competitors can match. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV that combines style, power, and practicality, the Yukon Denali should definitely be on your short list. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it goes beyond them. That's it for today's review on MK Car Reviews. Let me know what you think about the 2026-2027 GMC Yukon Denali. Would you choose this over its rivals? Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews coming